Dear students, in the last class I have mentioned to find out the measure of all the four angles. If you measured it and if you wrote it, you have to do next step I will tell. Meanwhile, I will measure the four angles here and I will write down the measurement. Okay. Now, if you not did it, do it now in your book, or if you did it and wrote the measurement, keep it side, and what the result we will get, I will inform you. Then you check your angles. Okay, how much you got it and what the relationship they have. Now I am measuring the angle A. Now this is the angle I am measuring. So if you consider this point here, so 0, 10, 20, 30, so on, it is how much it is? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100 degree. It is 100 degree. Angle A is 100 degree. Now I will measure the angle C. Okay. Now I will measure the angle C. Now this angle I am measuring from here to here. So from this side 0, 0, 10, 20, 30, so on, it will come 80. It is 80 degree I got. So what is the result I got now, children? Here the angle A is equal to 100 I got, 100 degree, and angle C I got 80 degree. Add them in your book also, add angle A and C, you will get exactly 180 degree. If you did the correct measurement of the angles, you will get exactly 180 degree. Now what about A and C angle? They are facing each other, right? So they are opposite angles. They are nothing but opposite angles. So in a cyclic quadrilateral, the opposite angles, the sum of opposite angles is 180 degree. This is the first pair, pair of opposite angles. Now I will take the other pair, that is namely B angle and D angle. Now I will measure the D angle. Keep it at the D point. Now this is the angle I am measuring from here to here. So from this line 0, like that way, 20, 30, 40, 50, it is 105 degree. So this 105 degree, this angle, and you measure this angle, 80 degree. Measure the angle B angle. Now the angle is like this way angle I am measuring. So from here 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 75 degrees. So this angle is 75 degree. You now write the measurement, the two angles, namely angle B I got 75 degree and angle D I got 105 degree. Now you add again these two angles, you get exactly 180 degree. So another set of opposite pairs, namely B angle and D angle, their sum is also exactly 180 degree, supplementary. So these two are supplementary, these two are supplementary. So what is the new relationship, or the relationship what is existing in the cyclic quadrilateral? That is the thing we are studying now. Okay, that is in a cyclic quadrilateral, the sum of opposite angles always 180 degree. It is given in a theorem, the same relationship they are given in the statement of theorem, that is a quadrilateral in which the either pair of this pair and this pair, either pair of opposite angles sum is 180 degree, that quadrilateral is a cyclic quadrilateral. Or if it is a cyclic quadrilateral, the either pair of opposite angle sum is a 180 degree. That is the last theorem. In this chapter we have to remember. So we will write first what is the cyclic quadrilateral. Cyclic quadrilateral is nothing but a quadrilateral. It is a quadrilateral where the vertex, all the vertices, you may say plural word, vertices, all the 4 vertices lie on the circle. Then it is called cyclic quadrilateral. If any quadrilateral, the 4 points A, B, C, D, the 4 vertex lies on the circle, then definitely that quadrilateral is nothing but cyclic quadrilateral. Good, okay? So we will write the definition of a cyclic quadrilateral. A quadrilateral, a quadrilateral is called a cyclic, if all the 4 vertices, of it lie on a circle. So this is the cyclic quadrilateral. And what is the property of the cyclic quadrilateral? That we learn. So what is the definition of cyclic quadrilateral? A quadrilateral is called cyclic if all the 4 vertices of it lie on a circle. All the 4 vertices A, B, C, D lie on the circle. Hence it is called a cyclic quadrilateral. It should lie on the circle. This part of the circle, that is circumference of the circle. Then only it is called a cyclic quadrilateral. Okay. Then the property of cyclic quadrilateral we just found out, that is opposite, sum of the opposite angles always 180. Both the pair A plus C, one pair, opposite angle, B and D another pair. So either pair of the opposite angle sum is 180 degree. That is the relationship we get in a cyclic quadrilateral. So write this result. So here write down sum of opposite angles is 180 degree. This is the result, and the same thing we will write in the theorem. The sum of either pair of opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral is 180 degree. What is the converse of saying? If the sum of the opposite pair of angles of any quadrilateral is 180 degree, then that quadrilateral is a cyclic quadrilateral. So we will write the same thing in a converse way. If the sum of opposite angles of a quadrilateral is 180 degree, the quadrilateral is cyclic. The quadrilateral is cyclic. If some 1 or 2 problems, you'll solve it based on this concept. PQRS is a cyclic quadrilateral. Angle P is equal to 110 degree. Angle S is equal to 60 degree, find angle R and angle Q. Find angle R and angle Q. Now how to get it? Answer: PQRS is a cyclic quadrilateral. Cyclic quadrilateral. Therefore, what we can write? The opposite angle. The sum of opposite angle is 180 degree. Therefore, angle P plus angle R is equal to 180 degree. Angle P is given, but angle P is equal to 110 degree. Therefore, 110 degree, P angle is 110 degree plus R angle is equal to 180 degree. So, R angle is equal to 180 degree plus, no sign symbol means it is plus. 110 degree, bring this side, this minus 110 degree, which is equal to 180 minus 110 is 70 degree. So, the angle R is 70 degree. Same manner, the other angle we will find out, that is angle Q plus angle S are opposite angles, the two angles, their sum is 180 degree, right? But angle S is equal to 60 degree. Therefore, angle Q plus S is 60 degree is equal to 180 degree. So, bring the 60 this side plus 60, you will get it is a minus 60 degree, which is equal to 120 degree. So, here this angle is 70 degree, this angle is 120 degree. So, in this way we can find the angles. Now, ABCD, example, this is also example problem. ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. AC and BD are diagonals. Angle CBD is equal to 55 degree and angle BAC 45 degree. Find angle BCD. Find angle BCD. Now, how to find the angle? Now, if you see the figure, ABCD is ABCD, all vertex of the quadrilateral ABCD lie on the circle, right? So, it is ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. This quadrilateral is a cyclic quadrilateral. Now, for C angle, angle A is the opposite angle, right? For C angle, the opposite angle is A angle. This BAD angle is opposite angle of this angle, namely BCD, which we have to find the angle, this one. Now, sum of the opposite angle is 180. Using that idea, we can find the C angle. But do you know now the full angle BAD? This full angle, do you know? A angle, do you know? We don't know. We are given only one part of that angle is given. This side of the angle is given. What is the other part of this angle? So that we can add these two angles to get the BAD angle. Right? Now, if you have to use another idea only, you will get the angle, this angle. Now if you turn your book, the angle CBD and angle CAD are angles on the same segment. If you consider CD as chord and in the major segment, there are two angles, CBD and CAD. There are two angles. If you see this angle and this angle, they are the same angles. The angles lie in the on the same segment, so they are equal. So this angle is 55 degree. So what is the total angle? BAD. So 45 plus 55, how much? 45 plus 55, it is 100 degree. What is the angle C then? This angle, it is 180 minus 100, so you will get it is 80 degree. You should be able to write it. Okay. So what we can write now, the result angle CBD, and angle CAD are two angles lying in the same segment, therefore they are equal. So they are equal. So how to write that one? Angle CAD is equal to angle CBD is equal to how much? 45 degree. Now angle BAD is equal to the sum of two angles is equal to angle BAC plus angle CAD. So angle BAD is equal to angle BAC. BAC how much? BAD is equal to BAC. BAC they are given 45 degree plus CAD. CAD just we found out, CAD it is 45 degree. Angle sorry, I did it wrong. It is 55 degree. Okay. 55 degree is equal to 100 degree. Next I will write it here. You write below, children. ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. Therefore, angle BAD is equal to angle BCD. Why? Opposite angles. Opposite angles are sum of opposite angles. Sum of opposite angles 190 degree. Therefore, BAD how much we got? 100 100 degree plus BCD is equal to 180 degree. So BCD angle is equal to 180 degree minus 100 degree. BCD is equal to angle which we need is 80 degree. 180 minus 80, it is 80 degree. So BCD is equal to 80 degree. So we did one problem. A few more example problem and exercise problem we will learn in the next class. So learn this one at home thoroughly, children. Thank you.